have you ever wondered why people think and act the way they do, or in ways that make absolutely no sense? Psychology can explain that, and that's exactly what we're about to explore. Welcome to Psych 101, your introduction to the science of mind and behavior. Hello, I'm Desiree, and in this video, I'll guide you through what this course is, how it works, and what you can expect as we learn together. This course is for anyone who's curious about how people think, feel, and behave, whether you're a student, a self-learner, or someone returning to psychology after years away. No prior knowledge is needed, just curiosity and an open mind. You can take Psych 101 in two ways. On YouTube, which is completely free with clean visuals, my real voice teaching behind the scenes, and a short Brainbusters game after every lesson. Or the Thinkific Premium course, where you'll get downloadable PDFs and these slides, a structured learning space, 10 question quizzes, support directly from me, no ads, and more on-camera lessons if that's your thing. Who am I? Well, I hold a master's in psychology with a concentration in therapeutic arts, a bachelor's in sociology, and experience as a psychology researcher, focusing specifically on veterans' mental health. To me, the best learning happens when the material connects to your real life. I teach in a way that's clear, practical, and grounded in real human experiences. My goal is to help you feel confident, curious, and supported as you learn psychology. I built this course to democratize psychology education, give you a realistic preview of college-level psychology, and support different learning styles. This course is organized into 8 modules with over 30 lessons planned. We're going to move from the foundations of psychology into biology and behavior, consciousness, development, learning and memory, cognition, emotion and health, and then finally, psychological disorders and treatments. I pull from the textbook Discovering Psychology, The Science of Mind, plus peer-reviewed articles, educator resources, and my own library. You can expect scientific foundations, clear explanations, real-world examples, visual learning, and absolutely no jargon unless we break it down together. At the end of each YouTube lesson, you'll get a quick Brainbusters check-in to reinforce what you've learned. You can think of this as a fun post-lesson challenge. Remember, learning takes time, and mistakes here are looked at as data, not failure. So some topics won't fully click until later modules, and that's completely normal. You can use this course in different ways. You can follow along in order, go at your own pace, pause and rewatch as needed, and take notes if it helps you retain information. Use whatever pace supports your learning. If you're ready, your next video is Module 1 Overview, Foundations of Psychology, where we go over the next 5 lessons. Subscribe to the Psychology Notebook to follow the full course. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. And I'll see you in the next lesson.